wake up at the same time every day? Do you eat breakfast in a hurry? Do you feel tired in the morning? Stop rushing today. You will learn how to describe your daily routine. You will hear simple words. You will understand the rhythm of English. You will remember your family words. You will practice time expressions. Let us begin. Welcome to Be Fluent. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. The sun is rising slowly. I open my eyes. I stretch my arms. I get out of bed. I walk to the bathroom. I wash my face with cool water. I brush my teeth carefully. I look in the mirror. I smile at myself. My name is Tom. I am from Canada. I live in a quiet house. My family is here too. This is my mother. Her name is Anna. She has long brown hair. She has kind eyes. She wakes up at 5:30. She is always first. She goes to the kitchen. She makes hot tea. She cooks fresh bread. She has a warm smile. This is my father. His name is Mark. He has short hair. He has a strong voice. He wakes up at 6 o'clock. He reads the newspaper. He drinks black coffee. He works in an office. He is usually busy. My brother walks in. His name is Sam. He has quick feet. He has a blue shirt. He runs to the table. He eats cereal with milk. He always finishes fast. My sister sits quietly. Her name is Lily. She has bright eyes. She has a red notebook. She writes every morning. She never speaks early. My grandfather comes in. His name is John. He has white hair. He has slow steps. He sits by the window. He listens to the radio. He tells old stories. He is always happy. My friend calls me. His name is Leo. He has a guitar. He plays music. He visits on weekends. He sometimes comes early. We all start our day. We eat together. We talk softly. We smile at each other. The house is full of life. I check my watch. It is 7:15. I put on my jacket. I take my bag. I say goodbye to my family. I walk to the bus stop. The bus comes at 7:30. I show my ticket. I find a seat. I look out the window. The city wakes up. Shops open slowly. People walk fast. Cars move quietly. I arrive at my job at 8 o'clock. I work in a library. My desk is clean. My computer is ready. I turn on the light. I open my emails. I answer questions. I help students. I find books. I organize shelves. I always work hard. I usually take a break at 10 o'clock. I drink water. I eat an apple. I talk to my colleague. His name is David. He has a friendly face. He has 2 children. He works on the 2nd floor. He never complains. We laugh together. The morning passes quickly. At 12 o'clock, I eat lunch. I bring a sandwich. I bring cheese and tomato. I sit near the window. I watch the street. I think about my family. I feel grateful. I return to my desk at 1 o'clock. I continue my tasks. I type slowly. I read carefully. I finish my reports at 4 o'clock. I turn off my computer. I pack my bag. I lock the door. I walk home again. The sky turns orange. The air is cool. I stop at the market. I buy fresh bread. I buy milk and eggs. I pay with cash. I carry the heavy bag. I arrive home at 5:30. The house smells good. My mother cooks dinner. She makes chicken soup. She boils rice. She cuts vegetables. She has a busy day. She is always tired but happy. I wash my hands. I change my clothes. I sit at the table. We eat together. My father tells a story. He speaks slowly. He smiles often. My brother eats fast. He always wants more. My sister reads a book. She eats quietly. She sometimes looks up. She smiles at us. My grandfather drinks tea. He rests his hands. He listens carefully. He nods his head. We talk about our day. I speak about the library. My mother speaks about the market. My father speaks about his meeting. My brother speaks about his game. My sister speaks about her test. We laugh together. We share our food. We clean the table. We wash the plates. We dry the cups. We put everything away. At 7 o'clock, I go to my room. I open my notebook. I write 3 sentences. I study English words. I listen to music. I relax my mind. I never stay awake late. I brush my teeth again. I turn off the light. I close my eyes. I sleep at 9:30. The night is quiet. The house is calm. My family sleeps too. Tomorrow starts early. The routine continues. Day after day, week after week. It is simple. It is clear. It is my life. On Saturday, the schedule changes. I wake up at 7:30. I sleep longer on weekends. I stretch slowly. I drink orange juice. I eat cereal with milk. I walk in the park. I visit the city market. I buy fresh fruit. I meet my friend James. He works in a bakery. He makes bread every day. He smiles when he sees me. We talk about our week. We plan a movie for Sunday. He loves action films. I prefer comedies. We agree to watch both. We drink coffee together. We say goodbye at noon. I return home. I help my mother with chores. I sweep the floor. I take out the trash. I water the plants. At 4 o'clock, my family gathers. We visit my grandparents. They live nearby. They welcome us warmly. They serve tea and cake. My grandfather tells stories. He speaks about his youth. He worked on a farm. He grew wheat. He raised chickens. My grandmother knits sweaters. She gives me a warm scarf. I thank her. I hug her. We stay until evening. We return home at 7 o'clock. I take a shower. I read a book. I sleep at 9 o'clock. Sundays are relaxed. I wake up at 8 o'clock. I make pancakes. I use eggs and milk. I add a little sugar. I cook slowly. My family eats together. We watch the sky. We talk about our goals. in the afternoon. I study English. I listen to audio. I repeat sentences. I practice pronunciation. I write short paragraphs. I review grammar rules. At 5 o'clock, I prepare for Monday. I pack my bag. I choose my clothes. I set my alarm. I go to bed early. The week starts again. Did you hear the rhythm? Let us look at the grammar. We use the present simple tense for daily routines. Add for habits, for facts. We add adverbs of frequency to show how often we do things. Listen carefully. I always wake up early. I usually eat breakfast. I sometimes walk to work. I never stay up late. These words come before the main verb. I always wake up. She usually cooks. He sometimes reads. They never sleep late. But remember, for emmenis, the adverb comes after. I am always happy. She is usually tired. He is sometimes busy. They are never late. Also notice the time words. We use in for months and seasons. We use on for days and dates. We use at for exact clock times. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I work on Monday. I travel in July. It is a clear pattern. In, on, at. Also, remember family words. My mother has long hair. His father works hard. Her sister reads books. We use his for males. We use her for females. We use have for I, you, we, they. We use has for he, she, it. It is all connected. The routine, the family, the time, the grammar, they work together. You can use them every day. You will speak naturally. You will feel confident. Now, practice with me. Repeat slowly. I always wake up at 6. She usually makes tea. He sometimes reads the news. They never eat late. I am always happy in the morning. We work on weekdays. I rest in the evening. My brother has quick feet. My sister has bright eyes. I love my simple routine. I usually drink coffee. He often walks fast. She sometimes studies late. We never forget our keys. They always smile at me. I am usually tired at night. My father has a strong voice. My mother has a warm smile. We have a quiet house. The day has 24 hours. You did great. You listened. You learned. Now it is your turn. Go to the comments below. Write your daily routine. Use always, usually, sometimes, or never. Tell me what time you wake up. Tell me about your family. I will read your comments. I will correct them. Do not forget to like this video if it helped you. Subscribe to be fluent for more simple stories. See you in the next lesson. Keep speaking, keep learning.